In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create liability accounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing your own business finances or helping clients stay organized, understanding how to properly set up liability accounts is key to accurate tracking and reporting. Let's get started. First, head over to the QuickBooks Online login page and sign in with your credentials. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see your main workspace. This is where you can access all your financial tools and settings. Next, navigate to the Transactions section on the left-hand menu. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This area is the foundation of your bookkeeping. It organizes every account that contributes to your company's balance sheet and income statement. At the top right of the Chart of Accounts page, click on New to create a fresh account. This will open a setup window where you'll enter the details of your liability account. Let's break this down step by step. Account type. From the drop-down list, choose liabilities. You'll notice there are typically two main categories: current liabilities and long-term liabilities. Current liabilities include things like credit card balances, payroll taxes, or short-term loans due within a year. Long-term liabilities cover larger debts, such as equipment loans or mortgages that extend beyond 1 year. Choose the one that best fits your situation. Detail type. Once you select your main account type, QuickBooks will ask for a detail type to further specify what kind of liability this is. For example, you can pick notes payable, other current liabilities, or other long-term liabilities. This helps make your reports clearer and more specific. Name the account. In the name field, enter something descriptive. For example, equipment loan payable or credit card payable. Choosing a clear name ensures your financial records are easy to navigate later. Unpaid balance and as of date. If there's already an existing balance for this liability, enter that amount here. Then include an as of date. Typically the start of your fiscal period or the date when this balance is accurate. This ensures your books reflect the correct financial position from the right date forward. Before you finish, double check all your entries for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close or Save and New if you plan to create more accounts. QuickBooks will immediately add your new liability account to the Chart of Accounts list. And that's it. You've successfully created a liability account in QuickBooks Online. This setup will help you keep tabs on debts and obligations, ensuring your financial statements always stay up to date and reliable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy accounting!